Hey guys, I'm making an EDC update, so we'll get into that in a second. I just want to say I got tons of new gear, and I lost my flashlight, and I'm looking at the Tasco flashlights 3-pack for $20, and yeah, I'll try to get that. It's 250 lumens, and the flashlight I lost was 56 lumens. Sounds stupid. So anyways, I'll start off with my phone. Samsung US Cellular phone. Yeah, I need to get a new one. It's boring. Up next, on my wrists, on my left wrist on my right wrist I have this paracord bracelet. I've had it for a while. So yeah. Pretty good. It's been through hell. And this has also been through hell. It is my Casio Illuminator. It's nice. Yeah. And it is 8:08 p.m. Anyways, here I have a Yankees hat. So yeah, I like it. I like the Yankees. So yes, I'm from New England, New England and Maine, and I like the Yankees. My dad grew up in New York, so yeah, I like the Yankees. Up next, pen, Sharpie pen. Yeah, and so yeah, I watched a guy's named Joshua Porter. I like him. He has good EDC videos. So yeah, it's a Sharpie pen, stainless steel, and yeah, it could be see right there. That could be used as kabuton. And yeah, it has. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah. It has refillable ink cartridges, or whatever you like to say. So yeah, it's good. Up next, I'll do my wallet. Just a Tony Hawk wallet and carabiner. I clip onto my belt before I put it onto my into my back right pocket. So, yeah. Yeah, it's Tony Hawk wallet, and it's just got my information. And I learned something. You should put like a few band-aids, 20. You should put a few band-aids in your wallet where you keep your cash, like, yeah, maybe an aspirin. I also still have this credit card knife. They're giving them away for free, so you better get one. They're surgical steel, razor sharp. So yeah. Here. Next I'll do my keys. I got a Night Eyes S spinner with a flexible cord ring, pink, and I just have backdoor key, house key, little light. It's pretty damn bright. It's about 7 lumens. And then just my Y card to get into the Y, a 4 gig flash drive, and a Swiss Army knife. I sharpened this till it's razor sharp. It's a Victorinox Mini Classic, and it's got your pen knife. I lost the tweezers and toothpick. Nail file and flathead, and then your scissors. They're pretty good. Up next, knife. Still have this Kershaw Crown. I want to get the Delca 4, but I need some money first. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a Speed Save HCR13 MOV and made in China. Just don't let that get on you. That was made in China because it's still good. And this Expedition Micro Pocket Organizer. I haven't put anything in here yet. So this is what I got in it. So I've got just some first aid stuff. A roll of duct tape I got in a survival kit. A fishing kit with 3 safety pins. Yeah. Comes in handy. Well, it will come in handy a bit. A little Gerber. I don't know the model. Yeah, so it's like a little buck knife with a pocket clip, and I actually can open it with one hand. See? And it doesn't have any thumb studs or anything. Writing utensils, I just got Sharpie and a big pen. Oh, and I also got some waterproof matches. And then I just got a carabiner clipped to the little paracord bungee thing. And duct tape at about like 12 feet. And then in this pocket I got a compass and some wire. So yeah, I guess that's it, I'm pretty sure. And some chapstick, Vaseline, but I don't know where that is. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Hit that like button, or that, I don't know, dislike it, I don't care. Comment, I don't care if it's negative or positive, so have a good day.